views. These codes are not important here, but later, if I wanted to teach you about uh, defining the design of a database, later I will ask you about them. But for now, no, it's not possible. It's not necessary because we will use such syntax during the definition of the database in the environment of a database management system. For more information about how these three level of the database design are worked, uh, you have to study more about some explanations here. What are instances and schemas? Databases change over time as information is inserted and deleted. Okay, we know all about it. The collection of information stored in the database at a particular moment is called an instance of the database. The overall design of the database is called the database schema. With a schema, you are able to design a database. So if you want to design the structure of a database, you can define it in a schema file or a schema content. The concept of database schemas and instances can be understood by analogy to a program written in a programming language. If you want to learn how to develop a schema, you have to learn corresponding courses related to developing a schema and how to design the database. But a database schema corresponds to a variable declarations along with associated data types in a program. It means that when you are developing an application, inside the application as one of the data type, there is a schema file including the content of the design of the database. Database systems have several schemas. Sometimes you will have several schemas, partitioned according to the levels of abstraction. The physical schema describes the database design at the physical level, while the logical schema describes the database design at the logical level. A database may also have several schemas at the view level, sometimes called subschemas, that describe different views of the database. Okay, until database languages for this session, um, it is enough for now. And in the next session, no, they are not in Pascal language. Which one do you mean? Um, yes, you're right. It seems that they are similar to Pascal language, but not exactly, because this is the syntax of declaration of the structure of the, for example, a table or a type like instructor in a database. And no, it's not related to the syntax in Pascal. Maybe it is similar, but not. For the next session, I will continue from the database language. Thank you very much for your attention and participation in this class. I hope you have learned many things from the concept of database for this first session. And in the next sessions, I will continue with these concepts, and you have to review the contents of each session. You have to review them in the week, within the week. Otherwise, for the final exam, many contents will be aggregated together, and it would be very difficult for you to learn it. And if you want to have easy work, you have to review and study your work continuously and repeatedly during the weeks. For example, you can study the content of each session at the end of the course, for example, before the next session starts. If you don't have any question, I will see you in the next class at the morning. In the morning, yes. Yes, I can show to you.